Fitbit Inspire 3. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing, get it set up, check it out a little bit. This is an upgrade from my Inspire 2. I really love my Inspire 2, but it's a little beat up. I've had it for a couple years now, so it's time for an upgrade. I truly love my Fitbit. I like it because I like to track steps. I don't want to track anything else. I just want to know that I'm beating my goal of 10,000 steps per day. This Inspire is small, fits on the wrist good, and no issues.
Just want to take a moment and call out that if you enjoy this video or any of our videos, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let us know how we're doing below. It truly helps us out. Thank you.
Go ahead and get in the app, get this device set up, and get to stepping.